In this video, I'm going to show you how to locally install StableCode, which is an AI code generator from Stability AI. This model is a gated model, so you would need to log into Hugging Face through your code. For this demo, I'll be using AWS SageMaker Notebook instance, and I already have installed it and run few commands because it took me a long time to come up with this code. I will put this code in my blog and drop the link in video's description, so don't worry about copy pasting this code. You can use any Linux instance to run this code or any Jupyter notebook. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to make the auto GPT queue, which I have done in this step. So first I cloned this repository and then I have cd into that auto GPT queue and then I compiled the whole library. Once that's done, let me scroll down. In the second step, I have downloaded the model, and as you can see, I am using this stable code instruct alpha 3 billion parameter model, and then I have tokenized it in this step, and then in this step I have downloaded it. Okay, once that's done, all I'm doing is I'm giving it a prompt. I'm asking it to generate a Python function to add any numbers, and then this is the template which is expected by this model. I am giving it the template. I'm setting the login to only critical so that it will reduce the noise, and then I'm feeding it into the pipeline and then printing the result at the end. And once I run it, you can see that it has generated this Python program. How cool is that? Let me try out another example to generate the Fibonacci number. Let me alter this line here, and I'm just saying it generate a Python program to print the Fibonacci sequence. Let's run it. And as you can see, this direct shows it is running. So let's wait. One thing I have noticed with this particular generator that it takes bit of a time, which is expected, I guess, for this 3 billion parameter. Besides, I'm using G4DN instance in my AWS, so which has only one GPU. Maybe if I provide it bit beefy instance, the speed would be high. But anyway, let's wait for it to return. I waited around 20 minutes and then I got this result. And as you can see, it has produced the perfect program for Fibonacci sequence, perfectly fine. So still taking bit of a time, but as I said earlier, it just needs some beefy server and the results are fine. Okay, if I go back to the website, you can see that if you go to the files and version tab, then you will see the model size is around over 6 GB. So that much you would need to download. So make sure whatever instance you are using has around 10 to 15 GB of space. So that's it, guys. I hope that you liked it. And if you have any comments or questions, please paste them in the video down in the comment section. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.